Hello, my students. How are you? I love you forever. I want to see you again. Oh, I am Margarila. Margarila, you say only hello, my student. Welcome to the class. Okay. Hello, my student. Welcome to the class. Okay, you are an artist. Yes, I know. Okay, my student, today is Thursday. Thursday, okay? Day, Thursday. Okay, 21st, 2020. Very good. The topic is a review. The performance is Margarila. The performance is fun conversation. The fun. Where is my phone? This is your fun conversation. Okay, very good. And your page 13, okay? And we start to the review of fun conversation. Okay, we start. I called you. Okay, teacher, I call and you answer, okay? I call about to Mr. Black. Okay, teacher. Ay, Margarila. Okay, we start. Ring, ring. Hello. Is Mr. Black there, please? Is Mr. Black there, please? Margarila, what happened? I don't know answer. I don't understand you. Ay, Margarila, no hay que ser tan dramático tampoco, yo te enseño. Mira, cuando vamos a preguntar por alguien, decimos decimos el nombre de la persona, there, please, está Mrs. Adriana there, please, or is there, I don't know, Joaquín there, please. Ok. Otra vez. Entonces yo lo hago primero. Bueno, voy a preguntar por Black, Mr. Black. Ok. Green, green. No, tú contestas. Ay, Margarila. Otra vez. 1, 2, and 3. Green, green. Hello. Is Mr. Black there, please? Yes, of course. One moment. Oh, teacher. Ok. And now, otra forma que puedes preguntar dices el nombre de la persona o el apellido, dices in. Ok, es fácil. Otra vez. 1, 2, and 3. Ring, ring. Hello, is Mr. Black in? Yes, of course. Oh, excellent, teacher. Okay, very good. And now, more formal. This is informal when you call your friends, okay? But if formal, because you don't know who is the other person and where it is, and you say, may I please speak to Mr. Black, please? Okay, and now you, okay. Ring, ring. Hello, may I please speak to Mr. Black, please? Okay, very formal. It's very formal. Okay, and now, I call with you. Oh no, call with Black. Okay, Black. Margarila, please. I'm sorry. What happened? Ok, mira, te van a llamar y tú vas a contestar. Bueno, sí. Ok, bueno, empecemos. Pero haz como si estuvieras recibiendo una llamada. Y tú también. Ok, 1, 2, and 3. Ring. Ay, A ver, dale así, Mr. Black. Ok. 1, 2, 3. Ring, ring. Hello. Is Mr. Black in? Black speaking. Good. Excellent. And now me. Okay. Ring, ring. Hello. Is Mrs. Adriana there, please? Adriana speaking. Okay, teacher. Very good. Excellent. And now, ahora tú contestas, yo te llamo, pero tú no sabes quién habla. Bueno, ok. Bueno, entonces hagámoslo así. Ring, ring. Hello, is Mr. Black in? ¡Ay, sí me olvidó! Ay, tú dices, this is Margarela. Who is calling? Ok. Otra vez. Ring, ring. Is Mr. Black in? This is Margarila. Who is calling? Oh, yes. Ok. Y otro. Entonces, yo llamo a Sammy, ¿ok? Ok. One, two, and three. Ring, ring. Is Sammy there, please? Okay. One moment, please. Oh, very good. ¿Y si Sammy no está? Ah, bueno, entonces mira así. Ring, ring. May I speak? Ay, teacher, se te olvidan las cosas. I am sorry. Okay. May I please speak to Sammy, please? I'm sorry. He's not here at the moment. Okay, Margarila. Excellent. Give me five. Five, teacher. Very good. This is the review of conversation. Ahora hagámoslos con los niños. Ok, vale. Juan, ellos son, pongámosle un nombre a ellos, pongámosle Juan. Ok, Juan. Bueno, empecé. Juan, llamamos las dos. Bueno, al tiempo. 1, 2, and 3. Is Juan there, please? Very good. Okay. Ok, ahora y que no estás. Dices, I'm sorry, he is not there. Ok, bueno. Entonces, 1, 2, and 3. Ring, ring. Is John in? I'm sorry, he's not there, please. There. Ok, at the moment. Muy bien, Margarila. No les digas a ellos que ellos ya saben. Ok. This is the class for today, my student. It's a review, only a review. You copy date, topic, performer. If you don't know, phone conversation. I copy for you. Margarila, ayuda. Ay, teacher. Ok. Es por si no lo sabías copiar, entonces te ayudamos un poquitico. Ok, bye. Bye. See you. Bye. See you.